What is up guys, it's your boy Sloppy here. Welcome back to another GTA 5 video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to download and install a car mod in GTA 5. We're going to be using the add-on method because I think that's the easier one. Essentially what we're going to be doing, finding a car on the internet, downloading it, installing it, and then we'll be able to drive it. Simple, easy as that. All you guys got to do is follow these steps that I take and you'll be good. So I made a tutorial on how to do this a couple years ago. It was very good. The video was very good. A lot of you guys loved it, but you said that it was a little bit complicated. So I'm trying to make a newer one that is going to give you the best and simplest explanation of everything that I'm doing. So enough talking, let's get into the video. The first thing that we need to do, or you need to do, is find the car that you want to install. I'm going to be installing the Dodge Challenger. Again, I did make a video on this same car a couple years ago, but they had an update and I have to say the car looks really good and I wanted to install it again so I could drive it in GTA. So find the car and you're going to download it. Then you're going to download OpenIV. Next, you're going to download ScriptUkV, then community-scriptukv.net. Make sure that you're on the latest build. Then you're going to go down to where you see the zip. You're going to click the zip. And finally, we're going to need Simple Trainer to actually spawn the car. All the links will be linked in the description of this video. So if you want them, you could just go down to the bottom, click them and download them. Once you finish downloading everything, you should have 5 different downloads. First of all, we're going to run the OpenIV. All you guys got to do is follow exactly what I do and you'll be good. So we're going to go English, continue. I accept. Continue. Yes, I'd like to download. So we're going to close this. Then we're going to run the OpenIV. Now that we have OpenIV open, you're going to go to GTA 5 and you're going to click Windows. Now we're going to be locating the main game directory for GTA 5. You're going to click Browse. It should automatically select the folder, but if it didn't, then you have to locate it. Once that is done, it should say successfully GTA 5 exe. You're going to click continue. Once it's finished installing, it should look something like this. We're going to minimize this for now and continue with the guide. Now we're going to be locating the main game directory for GTA. I'm using the one on Steam, so I'm going to right click on GTA on Steam, go to manage, browse local files. So this is the main game directory for GTA. Before you go ahead and mod your GTA, make sure that you make a folder and you call it mods. What you're going to do is that you're going to copy your updates out here. You're going to copy it. You're going to go into the mods folder that you just created and you're going to paste the update. This is so you can mod your GTA 5 without worrying of corrupting any files. Once you finish making the mod folder and you copied the update into the mod folder, we can continue with the installation of the car. First, we're going to go into ScriptUkV. We're going to open it up. We're going to go into bin. Then you're going to copy the 2 DLL files and copy them into the main game directory for GTA. I already have them, but I'm just going to replace them for this video. Once that is done, you're going to close that. You're going to go to scriptukv.net. You're going to open it up. You're going to copy the scriptukv.net.ini. You're going to copy the scriptukv.net 2.dll. You're going to copy scriptukv.net 3.dll. We only need these 3, so we're going to copy them into the main game directory. Again, I already have them, so I'm just going to replace them just for the sake of this video. Then we're going to go into trainer v. We're going to copy the 2 bottom one, or the trainer v.ini and the trainer v.asi. Copy them into the main game directory. Now we're going to be locating the zip file for the car that we download that we want to install. We're going to open it up. We're going to go into where you see add-ons, updates, x64, DLC packs, and you're going to copy the car's name, which is 16 Challenger, into your folder. Once you've extracted the 16 Challenger, you're going to go back into the main game directory for GTA. You're going to go into mods, updates, x64, DLC packs, and you're going to copy it right here. I'm just going to delete this one just for the sake of the video. So if you have it and you've never done it before, you're just going to copy this into the DLC pack. So it's mods, update, x64, DLC pack. So once you've finished that, you're going to minimize these and you're going to open OpenIV. Now that we have OpenIV open, we're going to be completing the final steps of the mod installation. First, we're going to go to the top part where you see edit mode, and you're going to make sure to turn that on. Yes. Then we're going to go here, click on it. Some stuff are going to pop up. You're going to make sure to install them. So I already installed them. So you're going to make sure that these are installed. So once you've done that, you're going to go to mods, update that RPF. When you're doing it for the first time, there's going to be a red pop-up. It's going to say copy the DLC car into the DLC pack, or you're going to locate it in the folder. Because I already done it, you're not going to see it, but just click show in folder or copy in folder. Once that is done, you're going to go into commons, data. Then you're going to go down to where you see DLC list. You're going to right click on DLC list. You're going to go to edit. You're going to scroll down to the bottom. You're going to make a copy of the last one. Right click, copy. You're going to press enter to make it space. Then you're going to paste the line of code that you just copied. Then you're going to go back to your files where you have the name of your car. You're going to right click, rename. You're going to copy the name of the car. And you're going to go back here where you see the last one, the last letter, which is G. You're going to delete everything. Then you're going to paste the name of your car, which is 16 Challenger. Then you're going to save. You're going to go to files, close archive, and close this. Then you're going to launch GTA 5. Okay guys, so now we're inside of GTA 5 and I'm going to be showing you guys how to spawn the car. So to open Simple Trainer, all you guys gotta need to do is press F3 or F4. I just pressed F3. I don't know why, but I'm using a 60% controller which doesn't have the num keys, so I'm not able to use them to navigate through the menu. So if you have a normal size keyboard, you can use your num keys by turning on the num key by pressing num lock, turn on the num keys, and you'll be able to navigate. I'll have to be using a controller to navigate through it because my 60% key. So as you can see, my controller is just connected, and I'm going to go to spawn vehicles. Then I'm going to go down to where you see added vehicle menu. And as you can see, I have my Dodge Challenger right here. I'm going to click it. And as you can see, my Dodge Challenger spawned. So the car looks really good. And the mod actually worked. So if this mod worked for you, please, I'm asking you guys, please leave a like on the video and consider subscribing to the channel for future content. It's your boy Sloppy, and I'm out.